Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify the name on your PayPal account quickly and easily. Keeping your account details current is vital for both personal and professional use. Let's go through the steps together so you can finish this update in just a few moments. Start by visiting the PayPal site. Launch your favorite web browser and enter the PayPal address. Once the page loads, find the login button in the upper right corner and select it. On the following screen, provide your email and password, then hit the login button to enter your dashboard. After logging in, locate the profile symbol usually found near the top right of the interface. Click this icon to reveal a menu, then choose Account Settings from the list. This section allows you to manage various account details, including your name. Within the settings area, look for the Business Profile category. This part contains essential data about your business. If you use PayPal for professional transactions, click on Business Information to move forward. In the Business Info section, you will see an Update link. Click it to proceed. Whether you need to adjust your legal name or your business name, this is the correct place. To start the process, click Edit and then choose Change. You will be prompted to pick a reason for this modification. Select the option that fits your situation best and click Continue. Now, type in your new first and last names. Be very careful with the spelling, as this must match the official documents you provide later. To finalize the request, PayPal requires you to upload a government-issued ID or another official document. This security measure ensures that only the account owner can make such changes. Prepare your files, follow the upload prompts, and confirm the submission once everything is ready. That is all there is to it. You have successfully sent your name change request to PayPal. While it might take a short period for their team to review and approve the update, your account information will be corrected soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was useful.